Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, kids. This morning, we are going to play our one of the favorite website we had, the ABCYA. So last time I give you the tutorial how to open the ABCYA. So this morning we are going to play one game in that particular website. So click ABCYA in your bookmark, and then this time we are going to play games in grade 1. Okay, are you ready now? So click grade 1 or grade K. Sorry, it's grade K. Hi. And then after that, we will be playing with letters. So ABC letters, click. And today we are going to play alphabet sliders. You know what? This alphabet sliders is also a game in pre-K. Okay, similar game to pre-K. So this alphabet slider puzzle. So click. And then let's click play. And then click go, and let's start. Remember, this is starts from letter A to the last letter Z or Z. So here, remember, all the words must be at the top. Okay, let's start.
A is for apple.
Okay, so letter A. Next letter, letter B.
B is for butterfly.
Okay, that's good. Next letter, letter C. Are you with me? Okay, can you do it? Letter C. For
C is for cat.
okay. Next one.
D is for dolphin.
Okay, do you like it? Okay, let's continue. Next.
E is for earth.
Okay, earth. Next. Remember, the words must be at the top.
F is for fish.
Okay. Next.
G is for grapes.
Okay. Next one. Okay, this one is quite tricky. Okay, confusing. So the words starts with the words up. Oh, it's honey. So here. Okay.
H is for honey.
Next one. Words up. Oh, this is igloo.
I is for igloo.
Okay. So this one can improve your vocabs, especially in kindergarten. What's this? This one here.
J is for jelly.
Okay. Next.
K is for kite.
Okay. Next. Okay. Next letter. Letter L. What is this? Oh, up. It's a bug. A ladybug. A ladybug here. Last one here.
L is for ladybug.
Okay, next. Letter M. M is for... Can you guess it? What is this?
M is for milk.
Okay, next one. N. Letter N. Letter, words, up.
N is for nut.
Okay. Next one. O.
O is for orange.
Very good. Are you with me, kids? This one is, what is this? Correct. Letter P is for,
P is for pencil.
okay, next letter, Q. This is for, what is this? Here, up. Ah, this is Q for,
Q is for queen.
okay, next letter, letter R. What is this? Oh, here, up, words up. Okay, it's a rocket.
R is for rocket.
Very good. Next one, letter S. Oh, easy. Up.
S is for strawberry.
We're almost done. We are now in letter T. What is this?
T is for toy.
Okay, supposed to be at top. Okay. Next, letter U. Up. And the handle down.
U is for umbrella.
Next one. We're almost done. Letter V. What's this? Going up.
V is for violin.
Now let's go to letter W.
W is for wave.
We're almost done.
X is for xylophone.
That's two more.
Y is for yo-yo.
And the last letter is? Yes, correct. Letter
Z is for zebra.
okay, so that is how to play alphabet sliders. We have 26 letters in our alphabet. So next time, we will play another game. So if you forgot to subscribe our channel, parents, kids, don't forget to subscribe. Just click the button below and also click the bell so that you will be notified for our new video. Okay, so have a nice day everyone. Bye-bye.